Hey everyone and welcome to EduCeption. This is the second video of the construction video series where we will show you how to construct the circumcircle and incircle of a triangle. Without wasting any further time, let's get started. First, let's start with the circumcircle of a triangle. I'll write down the steps. Now that we are done with the steps, let's start the construction. Step number 1 is construct the given triangle ABC. I will construct an equilateral triangle of side 7 cm. From 0 to 7. You can see this is 7 centimeter. This is 7 centimeter. Okay. I will join the 2 points with this point. Seven and 7. So this is the equilateral triangle. I'll mark it ABC, A, B and C. Now step number 2 is you have to draw the perpendicular bisector of any two sides of the triangle and mark O where they meet. So what are perpendicular bisectors? Well, take a compass and more than half the distance or half the length of the line, make an arc over here, an arc over here, similarly over here and over here. To join these 2 points, so this is the first perpendicular bisector. You have to make another perpendicular bisector. I'll take this side, one over here, one over here, one from here and here. You have to join these 2 points. Okay, now you have to mark O where they meet. So this is where they meet. Mark it as O. Now what is the third and final step? Taking O as the center and OA or OB or OC as the radius, construct the circle. So this will be the center of the circle. This over here will be the radius. So as you can see, I will construct the circle. Now this is a perfect circumcircle of the triangle. So this is the required circle with OB as the radius. We are done with the circumcircle of a triangle. Now this triangle can come or cannot come. You will be given other type of triangles, but constructing a circumcircle is similar to this. You have to find any two perpendicular bisectors of any two sides, join them and construct the circle. So we are done with this. Moving on to the construction of incircle of a triangle, let's write the steps first. So we are done writing the steps. Now let's start the construction. Now remember one thing, incircle is a bit tough than circumcircle. So go along with me and you will understand it. So I'll make an equilateral triangle of side 9 centimeter in this. Seven, 8 and this is 9. Okay, 9 centimeter. Compass. This is 9. We'll just join it. So this is the equilateral triangle. I'll mark it ABC, A, B, and C. Okay. So this was the first step, construct the given triangle ABC. Now the second step is draw the bisectors of any two angles of the triangle. Okay, how to do that? Compass. This is the angle. This will become a bit big, so over here it is fine. Okay, I'll make one arc like this, and then over here and over here. Okay, so this was the first angle bisector of angle A. I'll join it now. We have joined it. Now similarly we will do this with B. This is B. This is the angle bisector. We'll join, make the line. Okay, and this is where they meet. I'll mark it O. Okay, now the third step is from O, draw perpendicular on any side of the triangle and mark P. How to do that? Take a compass, put it at O over here, and okay, and you have to just join O from this. Make a dotted line and mark this point as P. Now what is the final step? Taking O as the center and OP as radius, construct the circle. So this is the center of the circle. We put the pencil over here and construct the incircle. Incircle. Now this is not perfect. It's not touching over here, but this is fine. You understood how to construct an incircle. Now it was a bit tough, so don't worry. We are done with the construction. And one more thing in this video. If this video gets more than 75 or 100 shares in 7 days, then there will be a giveaway. So remember that and keep that in mind. Now a new video on construction will be uploaded soon, so stay tuned. Until then, this is EduCeption signing off.